guys, welcome to a new video, and today we are going to have a look to see what progress is coming along with the Department of Foot and Pensions building. I thought we're just going to have a look down here. They've got some big high-rise equipment here anyway. Yeah, this must be the back section of the building anyway. Well, looks like they've got some flooring to put into place and steel beams which are like all together. Yeah, putting flooring down. Either that or it's the ceiling. But definitely doing some work up there. And they're starting to put temporary lights in so they can work. Because I'd imagine as they're putting the flooring in, it's going to be blocking outside the light. Yeah, starting from the top and working down. And starting to put some, starting to put walls in. And make a bit of an access path around here for the building. Yeah, they're definitely making progress. Yeah, this is the Talbot Road Gateway anyway. Mr. Basbane's here, open Christmas Day. If you fancy visiting curry on Christmas Day. World Cuisines. And of course got the Holiday Inn. All this lot's part of the Talbot Gateway. We're still doing work on the Sainsbury's building anyway, by replacing all the glass. That must be costing them a fortune. Yeah, there's the progression of the Holiday Inn. Looks like that'll be bus stand. It's nice to see, nice and clean and modern for the time being. this is all opposite. The Mike Kelly's in Blackpool Town Centre. Yeah, a bit of a teleportation. We're now opposite the Children's Nightclub, which is, of course, in Blackpool Town Centre. So we're going to have a bit of a quick walk around the pubs and bars and clubs. We've got the Counting House, Pop World, which is a good. It's a good club, but then when you see it during the day, it could do with a bit of a fresh coat of paint on the metalwork. Yeah, that's the Backward Trilogy. Got a few bars, which is currently closed at the moment, I think. Got Walkabout. Opposite that we've got a Feastabout. Like how they've copied a bit of the wording. Yeah, we've got basically your clubs and pubs around here, and Soul Sleep, that's a good venue to go to. I believe Remembering Sunday, we actually do a walk to this over here, this sculpture, to remember those that didn't quite make it. And it's busy going along there, along the Prom by car. Guys, I hope you enjoyed that bit of a little video. If you did, feel free to hit the thumbs up button, hit subscribe, don't forget to ding dong that notification bell, and I will see you all in the next video, where I'll be walking back along the Prom and see if it's picked up at all.